Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll explain what MVVM in WPF application and why it is most important patterns that you need to learn for building clean and scalable desktop apps. So before we get started, let's dive into the definitions of MVVM in Microsoft. What does it mean, MVVM in Microsoft? So I'll go to the definition, right, type in MVVM definition. Okay, show more. So what is MVVM? MVVM is a software design pattern that separates an application's user interface from the business logics and data. It consists of three main parts: the model, hold, applications, and business logic, and view, visible UI elements, and ViewModel. An intermediary that exposes the model data in a way that you can easily use, facilitating data binding and separate concerns to improve testability, maintainability, and scalability. Okay, now we get an idea what is MVVM. So today I'm going to show you how you can work with MVVM in WPF applications using Visual Studio. So let's get started. Type in Visual Studio 2022 and click. So I'm going to create a new project. We'll type in WPF application and I choose C#, Windows, and desktop. Click next. I will type the MVVM project demo. So I set everything as default. So I click next and create. At this stage, Visual Studio will create the plan, Visual Studio's window for WPF applications. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna check what is the main entry and what are the requirements. Our purpose is to create MVVM that can be used in WPF applications. So let's get started, and I will create a new folder. Add a new folder. I will type ViewModels. Okay, and inside of ViewModel, I will create a new class. I'll call it main Windows View Models. So this is the classes that I'm gonna use to build the MVVM. So in MVVM, it is important to inherit one of the library that Microsoft provided. I always use iNotify property changes. So why do I do this? So in this page, in this class, I'm gonna inherit the main Windows View model from the iNotify property changes interfaces. So I'm gonna implement iProperty changes event. So let's create the properties for main Windows View model. For example, I will use pages, private, string, title and public string title. I'm gonna explain this one by one. Let me create it first, and the title. Okay. And this one as well. Okay, so then we also need to bind one more command to this button so we can access it from the main window, and then it will execute it inside the main window's ViewModel dispatch. So to do that, we need one more action. I need to declare public I command. This is the interface for the command. I'll give the name set title command. Okay, set title command. So public main window, we need to put it, we need to initialize it inside the constructor. So set title command equal new relay command. Okay, we don't have relay command for now. We need to import it. So to do that, okay, we don't have the relay command for now. We need to install the library. For that library, I will go to the NuGet packages and I will install the community toolkit. In this toolkit, it allows us to use the relay command that can bind with the main windows. So in this, and I already installed it, so I just use it. So if you don't have this library, just type in the community toolkit and then just click install it. But for me, I already installed it. I just go back to the main windows and then I need to import it. In that, we need to import it. Okay, I just import it. Community toolkit.mvvm.input. Here you can see that community toolkit.mvvm.input. It allows us to bind the MVVM command with the main window. So I just type it, and then in this I will set the title based on that title. Okay, title. Okay, and now I'm gonna set title set into the title. Okay, title equal the title set, and then it will set the title based on the title set that you just type in the main window. So test it if it's work, but in here we need to bind the command. We need to get the command name to bind with this button so it works. Now I test it. Okay, it's a little bit small, but I just type it. Testing. Okay. I will resize it a bigger. Okay, now I already resized it, so test it. Okay, boom. Ooh. Okay, boom. Now we get an idea how to bind the MVVM inside the man window using the WPF. So it is the good idea that you can map the object inside the main window UI. So okay, that's all guys. I hope this video will find you well, and then will help you to improve your skill in the WPF window application. So that's all. Yes, goodbye.